Welcome to the AI Revolution 2026 edition. We will explore the top 10 tools that are currently redefining the digital landscape. We are now stepping into the next frontier of AI, intelligent systems with a focus on human-centric design, driving innovation across all sectors. First up is OpenAI's GPT-5, moving beyond text to pure reasoning. It introduces, system 2 feet thinking, allowing it to pause, verify facts, and self-correct, acting as a full-scale digital agent. Next, Google Gemini 2.0 offers native multimodality, built from the ground up to understand video and audio in real time. It features ultra-long context windows and deep Android system integration. Anthropic's Claude 4, the constitutional giant, focuses on emotional intelligence and reliability for corporate governance. Its Artifacts interface enables real-time multi-user AI co-creation. We have three visual powerhouses. OpenAI Sora offers physics-accurate video generation. Midjourney V8 provides photorealistic images with 3D model export. Adobe Firefly integrates deeply into the Creative Suite. Looking at adoption trends, LLM assistants lead at 92%, followed by creative design at 78%, AI coding at 65%, and enterprise search at 54% of global organizations by Q1 2026. Devin AI, the autonomous software engineer, now handles complex software architectures, debugs entire repositories, and deploys cloud-native applications, promising a 10x increase in dev efficiency. For search and productivity, Perplexity Pro is the definitive replacement for traditional search, offering real-time synthesis and interactive visualizations. Copilot Pro provides oxygen monosulfide level intelligence, managing calendars, and automating data entry across Windows applications. Rounding out our top 10 is Runway Gen-4. Key features include real-world 3D simulation from text, character consistency, multi-layer editing, and cloud collaboration for 8K cinematic footage rendering. This evolution path shows a rapid progression from the LLM boom in 2023 to multimodal integration in 2024, agentic workflows in 2025, and culminating in fully autonomous ecosystems by 2026.